Hello students, and welcome again to Miss Bullock's Flipped Classroom. Today's lesson is going to be on Logos, Ethos, and Pathos. Logos, Ethos, and Pathos are the three pillars of rhetoric. Rhetoric is the art of speaking, writing, or convincing people. So let's begin with our I can statements. Today's I can statements are: I can learn about Logos, Ethos, and Pathos. And then, of course, what we'll be doing in the classroom is identifying Logos, Ethos, and Pathos, as well as analyzing and evaluating how they affect a piece of literature. So let's begin with Logos. Logos is the appeal to logic. So when you're using Logos, you're going to use facts, statistics, reasoning, logic, and if-then statements. These really help your audience to understand in a logical order your reasons for your conclusions. The next part is ethos. Ethos is the appeal to credibility. Credibility means, are you believable? So this is not about anyone but the speaker. Is the speaker believable? So some things that you might ask yourself when you're looking at ethos would be, is the speaker an expert? Does the speaker have a degree in this area? Do they have proof? Do they sound and look like they know what they're speaking about? So, if you'll take a look at our little thought bubble here, the big question is, do we trust the speaker? That's what we should keep in our mind the entire time we're reading. Our last piece is pathos. Pathos is the appeal to the emotions. This is what happens every time you see one of those sad animal abuse commercials on TV. It makes you sad. It appeals to your emotions. So, when using pathos, speakers do things like use vivid descriptions. They may tell a story. They also will use emotional words. And they will make you feel with those words. Now, this is the last piece, but it is not the least piece in the triangle of rhetoric in Logos, Ethos, and Pathos. Pathos is often considered the most powerful persuader of all. So, again, remember to study your Logos, Ethos, Pathos, because we'll be using it in class later. Thank you, and don't forget to study your vocabulary.